Looking for the best Hitch bike racks to make your next biking trip easier and more convenient? You've come to the right place. Our channel brings you quality videos every single day, helping you explore and compare some of the most reliable products out there. In today's video, we'll break down the top Hitch bike racks that offer great value, durability, and ease of use, so you can hit the road with confidence. Number 1. Quat Sherpa 2.0. The Quat Sherpa 2.0 is a streamlined hitch rack that scores points for its lightweight and ease of use. It sports tool-free installation, just hand-tighten the hitch cam, and you're set, and a foot-activated tilt-away feature to let you get at your gear in the back of the vehicle, even when it's loaded with bikes. It loses a little ground due to its lower weight limit and comparatively limited bike compatibility, but it is still a great option for many users. It holds wheelbases up to 47, 1,194 millimeters, and can handle tires up to 3 inches wide, with a load capacity of up to 40 pounds per bike. This means it works best with road, gravel, and smaller mountain bikes, as many larger mountain bikes will be too long to fit. The folding arms lock down on the front tires without any frame contact, and the rear tire cradle sports a molded strap to keep your bike safe while you drive. The lighter weight, just 32 pounds, makes it easy to install or remove, but thanks to the low-profile foldaway design and nice-looking finish, you won't be taking it off. Number 2. Yakima Ridgeback. We've often felt that the best features are the ones you don't notice, and the Yakima Ridgeback, $379, for 4 bikes is an excellent example of this. It strikes a perfect blend of features and simplicity. It comes assembled right out of the box, and the locking, tool-free speed knob lets you mount it in minutes. While it has a much simpler, hanging design that supports bikes by the top tube of the frame, it is among the most economical ways for people to transport 4 bikes at a time. The 2 support arms have 8 padded anti-sway cradles, 2 per bike, that aim to prevent your bikes from banging into each other during transport. The zip strip ratcheting straps are fast, easy to use, and removable. As a hanging-style rack, there is no way to avoid frame contact, so this isn't the best option for those with super fancy carbon bikes. It also works best with traditionally shaped bikes with horizontal top tubes that rest on top of the support arms. You can jimmy curved tubes or full suspension mountain bikes into place, but it can be awkward. Thankfully, Yakima sells the tube top adapter, $39, which can be attached for an easier fit. Number 3. Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch Bike Rack. If you're on a tight budget or can't justify spending lots of money on a fancy bike rack, the Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch Bike Rack, $130, can carry up to 4 bikes at a time for a fraction of the price of the competition. 4 bolts make up the entirety of the assembly, and the light weight, 23 pounds, makes it easy to lift and fit into your hitch, so you'll be ready to roll in minutes. It's far from the most elegant solution, but it is functional and very affordable. 2 arms sport 4 sets of padded cradles, while Allen's individual tie-down system holds the bikes in place. These cradles can be spaced out or rotated to fit a wide array of bikes, from your roadie to your kid's mountain bike. Number 4. INNO Tire Hold Bike Hitch 4. This low-profile INNO Tire Hold Bike Hitch 4, $1,000, can carry up to 4 bikes up to 60 pounds each, but this monster looks like you could strap an ATV to it. You can't. Also known as the IH-142, the aluminum construction is strong but keeps the weight of the rack itself low. And the pull handle at the end of the rack makes it a breeze to fold up the rack against the vehicle when not in use. Besides its intimidating presence, the most notable aspect of the tire hold is its completely frameless contact securing system. Combining a full-length cradle with locking wheel clamps on both tires, the rack locks in bikes and keeps them from banging against each other during transport. It prevents any contact with the frames or forks, which is ideal for users who own carbon frames, bikes with large forks, or those who want to treat their bikes like polished china. The arms hold 20 to 29 wheels and tires that are up to 3 wide. Number 5. Sari's Super Clamp EX2 Bike. Combining strength with a low weight and small footprint, the Sari's Super Clamp EX2, $580, is a platform hitch rack that weighs just 35 pounds. This puts it on the lower half of the weight scale and makes it much easier to handle off the vehicle than heavier options. Dual wheel hooks lock the bikes into the cradles without any frame contact, supporting bikes up to 60 pounds each, wheelbases of up to 50 inches, and tires up to 4 inches wide. Adapters for fat tire bikes are available as add-ons. A variety of wheels are compatible with the rack from 20 to 29 diameters. The hooks and cradles are adjustable to accommodate almost any kind of bike as well, from road bikes and mountain bikes to bikes with fenders and lightweight e-bikes. And thanks to a design that allows for 2 bikes on a single bar, the platform's footprint is notably streamlined, with a tilt feature that allows you to tilt the fully loaded rack away from the vehicle.